guys.
So, another day. Come on. Hello, guys.
Good morning.
Yeah, there's ay lima rondong, no? There's 5 of them today. This is day 13. There's Roldan mixing some concrete and gravel, concrete concrete and sand with cement. Oh, kanang kuan ba? It doesn't need to be like this smooth, you know? Yung kinahanglan o kanang semi-wrap lang ba? Di lang yung perfect, okay? Basta munindot rapog maayo. Wow, the post. It's dry already. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already dry.
Yeah.
I thought they fill it up all the way, but it was only until there. Yeah, you saw that. How you feel today?
I feel good.
That's good. Well, of course, I already asked you behind the scene, right?
Yeah, you ask me every day, but thank you for asking.
Wow, it's dry already. That was from last Saturday.
Well, I was going to tell you should wear that dress. That dress looked good on you.
The scam dress.
Wear it.
Why?
And she don't like it.
Oh, it's a see-through, honey. Like it's very thin.
Or slip under it.
And what's the point of wearing a dress? Then you have to wear double.
Yeah.
But you know, she could probably wear it at home.
Yeah.
Wow, they removed the. Look, they removed all the form in here.
It's getting in the way.
Nagsamok-samok.
Dito, matanda siya. Dito na itong hipos ang gate.
Roldan asked, where do you want the gate? Go that way or that side?
That way.
Yeah, that way.
I think dire na lang daw kuno pabor. Mas pabor diri no?
Oh, putlon man nato ng isa ka.
Oh, putlon man ni. We're gonna cut this one pine tree here.
Yeah.
Diri na lang anak siguro murag pabor man no?
Murag whiskey ko. Murag whiskey.
Kani. Abtika. That's why the director that he makes the sand and concrete very fast. You can't keep up with him because he makes it so fast.
Hard work, man.
Yeah, I know. Pasa juday ka mukuan ani dong no, masa do. Yung sir direct, dili na siya ka atas.
They have to spend a whole lot of time on the walls.
Right. Yeah, it's just a little rough, you know, as long as they can. You know, it's the same as in the back, you know, on the neighbor's side. Yeah. Alright. Okay, let's go. Going to the town to get food for lunch and for snack. And I saw suwayan mo dong. Roldan is gonna try that tap. You're curious what it's gonna look like? Ay nasabod murag na nasabod. I think it's gonna look good. You think? Uy, hala, bali ay putlo na sundang. Wano na putlon there's a bunch of ants on that leaves. He needs to cut the leaves. You wanna see what it looks like?
I want to save all the gravel they're getting out of that sand.
Oh yeah, of course.
You're gonna pile it all somewhere?
Yeah, they're dumping it there. It's fine, honey. I can just order the same little rocks. I saw it in the place where I ordered the hollow blocks.
gonna dump all of this in the foundation.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see how these cups look. Uy, hala. Wow, what do you think?
Oh, yeah, it's gonna look good.
Look good?
Ano ito kurang finishing?
Dako og kwan pinisingunon.
Hindi tama.
Tama ra.
Ano yung kurang?
Ayun ay no.
Can you get one on that last post too?
Masud. Oh yeah, he said he can. He's gonna
Cut it?
find a way to cut it, and then Roldan will figure it out.
That's good.
Does it? Very nice.
Parang galing ako rin kasi lang kailangan pangidrian ako pag nga natong suka ba.
Ay, oh. Ikaw na dong.
Kung ano dito.
Oh, he said the conduit. He's gonna get through in here. Just cut through in the middle.
Wow.
So, what's for lunch?
Fish.
Fish?
I'm gonna make it fish soup.
Fish soup, guys. Actually, they just finished their snacks. I just need to finish cleaning up their all the cups and everything. And this is tuna. Tuna karaw. And what is this?
Pork liver.
Pork liver.
It's very good.
Yeah, Maribin cooked it very good. She cooked it before.
Put some vegetable in it.
These are some ingredients. What is that?
And shrimp.
Shrimp. That's for next time.
And
So for today's recipe, guys, fish soup and pork liver. What is it? Menudo or?
like that.
Very exciting for lunch. Anyway, I need to finish cleaning up stuff here because soon Dennis and I he wants to go with me. We go to the place or the shop that fix the AC. They didn't finish the soda. They only drink one. Ready?
Yeah.
Dennis is more than ready.
Well,
Maybe he needs something else in town. Yeah, bring your phone. Hopefully they don't have to take all the car apart, that it's gonna take all day to fix it, and we can't, we need our car.
It's more convenient if you have a car.
Yeah, that's true. More convenience.
Yeah.
I mean, a motorcycle will do, but really, guys, I'm so scared of driving a motorcycle. I can drive one, but it's too scary, especially here. Very dangerous. That's why we just like to have our car. It's not the smoothest car on the road, very bumpy, but at least it's provide us transportation and all the places we needed to go. We can go anytime. Maribin is cutting up the liver, pork liver. Ooh, that would be very good. I don't know, I was gonna eat something, but never mind.
You can wait until
Yeah,
lunch.
I'll just wait lunchtime.
too.
Because
How about Marites? Is
I don't know, is she asleep?
she alive? Still alive?
Earlier she woke up, but she's going back to her. I don't know, she must probably be asleep. I don't wanna disturb her.
Can't believe Marites can sleep with the noise.
Yeah, she can sleep. Even if it's all noisy there, she don't care. She can sleep for hours.
what?
I said, Marites can sleep even with all the noise.
Still sleeping?
Well, she woke up earlier. She probably went back to sleep. But I'm just saying, even if there's all kinds of noise in there, she
Yeah.
just don't care. She keeps sleeping.
Wish I could do sleep like that.
Yeah, I wish me too. Because whenever there's a little noise, even Dean is clearing his throat in the morning, it wakes me up.
Yeah.
I don't care about his snoring. His snoring really didn't bother me. What bothers me is like cough or other things.
So I have many things that bother you.
Well,
Okay.
no, not at all, because even if it bothers me, that it's still I don't mind it.
Okay. You got out of that one. You got out of that one.
Roldan started
wow.
welding here. See? Yeah. Oh, it's made in Davao. This. Roldan said that they had an accident last night.
Who did?
Roldan. Be-
Motorcycle work?
Yeah, and his wife, his kid, and his sister-in-law or who it was in a motorcycle, because a guy just cut in front of him.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my gosh! I was thinking.
Did they get hurt?
Na kuan ba daw kuno mo dong, na hurt ba daw kuno? Yes, he has some bruises.
Really?
Yeah, bruises in here,
Wow.
in the leg. Yeah, see? Yeah, and his elbow, he said.
Huh?
Yeah, because they were driving very slow in the right lane, and then this girl just cut him off because she needs to go to that. Oh, she saw where she needs to go.
So she turned right out of the left lane.
Yeah, from the left lane. Yeah, I know. That's why.
Did she stop?
Ninghunong ba po siya nun? Yeah, she stopped. That's what. But so Roldan didn't wanna just bother it with having her pay, because it's gonna take a while. They have to file a police report and all. So that's why I'm just glad that Roldan is okay and his
Yeah.
family.
I'm glad you and your family are fine.
May ganito ko nun, okay ra ka, yung pangsus, ginawa ko pati yun. Yeah, it's very dangerous, guys, especially in motorcycle. Ay. Anyway,
Look
this,
nice, yeah.
it's gonna look very nice. Yeah, Roldan does the welding.
Yeah.
It's very good at welding.
Cool.
Nakaw sa mi dong, hawa mo ilang itugon dong.
Wala ba te?
Ah.
Wala lang.
Uy, ako unsa na puno na ba kan hindi pawong manday nila.
That's very, very thick stuff, huh?
Ha?
It's very thick,
Yeah,
huh?
maayo ba daw kung bagaon dong? Made in Davao, no? Nakakuha na ka. Yeah, it's made in Davao. It's
Really?
very good kind.
Wow.
1.5.
Namoy ka ng uban kumpanya ka ng wala bitay brand.
Ay wala no?
Oo.
Kanila ani.
Ah,
Ha?
Yun yung likuran eh.
Likod na mo. Amo sa may klaseng. Bugnaw? Dili kayo bugnaw, lahi ra jud sa una ba nga kanang kusog jud kayo bugnaw.
Sa isa kusingana.
Bago may giukap man ni kay pailis ko baterya atong niaging adlaw.
Ah.
Nya mo ni. Ha?
Sige mo niyo.
Ha?
Yo na mo ni bagay niyo.
Kana?
Wasn't on?
Something
Now it's on. Now
Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang.
di mo bugnaw man siya prodidyo kayo kusog.
Sige lang. Sa try.
Wow.
You got caught.
Sa likod niya, dali niyo.
Dili kay kon dahil ra jud yung kabugnaw ba, it's different than before ha. You know?
Now.
Iunay tong isa para asa na itong anong iun man to.
Para ang cycle niya, ang kainit dire. Naman sa mga dire, ang kainit niya dili mosulod dito.
Ay mao da ito. Purpose ana.
Dapat iyon dito nimo siya.
Ay di ay.
Ang baho pud sa gawas mosulod. Mosulod gato. Tama ang cycle, sa kinan niya na iruto ang anak. Ang cycle niya ana sa sulod hangin bugnaw.
Ay mao de. He was saying that we should have turned on the one in there.
The one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the air can, you know.
Okay.
We came in here, guys. Didn't said it smells good, but
It does,
you're
man.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
But you wanna know what it is?
What?
It's pork liver.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
But it looks really good and smells really good. Wow, fish soup cooked by our chef,
Wow.
professional chef.
Not professional. Not
Wow,
yet.
Yeah, very professional.
smells so good,
Does smell delicious, man.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat it?
No.
Why?
Organ.
Yeah, so the AC, guys, when the guy particularly turned on that thing in the car, you see that just keep turning this on and it will just, the air inside will just and it got cold, so we decided we don't need to clean the AC. They don't need to take it all apart. Lunch ready. Need to invite everybody. So, we're cleaning the shrimp, guys, for Dennis. I thought there's still some frozen shrimp that we cleaned last time when Maribin and I cleaned the 2.5 kilos of shrimp. And it was all gone. And then when I look at, oh my gosh, there's no more. So it's a good thing we have some fresh shrimp. So that's why we're cleaning it. Just enough dinner for Dennis. So after we clean this, I'm gonna cook it.
Yeah, if I didn't offer this to Dennis, maybe he don't want.
You know.
Because I offer her his earlier.
Oh yeah, yeah. Maribin said, "Oh, you want some shrimp?" And I go, "No, there's still some frozen shrimp." So that's what I thought. But then when I checked, there's none. It's raining right now, guys. But the guys are still working out there. They're rendering on. They actually did it on this side first, on the inside, and then I don't know what they're gonna do tomorrow outside on that side or what. Depends on where they're gonna. So just 10 shrimp
For Dennis, for the worker.
and the heads are for us. We eat the heads. It's been raining for over an hour now, guys. Very cloudy. Hi. Lots of flies, guys. Fixing flies. Wow!
Wow, looks delicious.
I hope you will like it, honey. It's hot though, be careful.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm gonna put some calamansi or lemon, guys. I hope it's good.
Oh, I'm sure it was good.
Uy, that's a lot. Lots of lemon. Gonna be so sour.
No, it's not.
You like it sour?
Be fine.
Yeah, me and Maribin hurried and cleaned it.
Thanks, Marvin.
I cut it and then I peeled it and Maribin deveined it.
Wow. I'm so lucky.
Time to try. You feel lucky?
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow.
What?
Very good.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Maybe I should try a little.
Well.
Just the tip, just the tail.
Leave one.
No, just the one tail. Can you pull it out? Little tail. Very good. Very sour though. You like it?
Yeah. Very good.
Uy, Marites! What is going on with you, Marites? Did you finally get enough sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah. And she kept saying, guys, just leave me alone because very soon I'm not gonna get sleep again. So, she's taking advantage of the opportunity that she could sleep. So she sleep all day and all night
With aircon pa dyan and
with AC
good internet.
and plus unlimited internet. Wow. Wow. Later today, we're gonna take her back to her apartment. The guys are still working out there. Enjoy your dinner, honey.
I will. It's very good. Thank you.
Okay. You feel much better today?
Yeah, I do.
I'm so glad. I was
Very
like
much better.
worrying about him last night and
Very good.
let's eat.
Life is good.
Life is good. Alright, so Dennis just got done with the dinner, and how was it?
It was great. Very good.
Glad you liked
Thank
it.
you and thank Marvin. Yeah,
For
thank you.
cleaning it.
Yeah.
Wow. And for me cooking it. Thank you to me.
Yeah. Thank you to both of you.
We're gonna check, guys, what they're doing here. Oh, looks like Roldan is
Oh, yeah, wow.
almost done. Uy, look at it. Look at it. I'm not looking at it, guys. Only the camera's pointing at it. But wow. You're not looking at it, right? Look at it. Honey, why did you bring your shoes outside? It's very dirty.
What shoes I have?
Huh?
What shoes I have?
They already sift this sand in here. They put it all in a bag.
What is it?
A sand for the finishing or rendering. Yeah. I temporarily parked here, guys, because you know, Roldan is working in here.
Yeah, the car's gonna look good with the caps on.
Yeah, actually it looks good. I like the design. Don't you like the design?
Yeah.
It's the same design as our gutter. Did you notice? The same design, almost. Ay, dark clouds. They're going home soon, guys, because it's already over 4 o'clock now.
Yeah, it's starting to rain.
Yeah, it's actually, it rained for almost 2 hours.
Really, yeah.
Was it over an hour or what?
They should get before it starts raining again. But
Yeah.
it's up to
There is,
them.
see, look at the design in the middle.
Step on that.
No, I'm not gonna step on it. Look at this. Be careful.
Oh wow, that looks
Yeah.
great, man.
The design that he followed on the
yeah.
You liked it?
Oh yeah, man, looks great.
Oh yeah.
It looks
So
really good.
with this design, daghan yung ma-impress ani dong ba? There's gonna be a lot of people looking at it like, oh, who's working in your...
Yeah. Especially with payers, you know.
Ang piturahan ang naglahi na puti dong kanirang gagmay.
Green ka.
Ay, dili kay puti. So he's gonna paint gray on this.
Yeah.
The small ones. Gray in the middle
Yeah.
too.
Uh-huh.
And then black in here. Kanilong black po ne? Naubos man na yun, no? Ay, sa ibabaw?
So it looks very good, man.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look so nice.
Wow.
Nice. Especially if after he painted.
Yeah. And he's gonna make one of those for the top of every half wall here, right? He's gonna do something like that at the top of every half wall.
Yeah. Yeah, it's same like this, same design. Sige lang dong. Huh?
The gate's gonna look good.
Yeah, that's what it is, guys. The workers just left.
You like the style of the gate?
I do, that looks good.
Very dusty, honey. You need to cover it. Tama ka na, boy.
That's all right. It's wet, it's not that dusty.
Huh?
It's not dusty.
She was sweeping in here.
Yeah, it looks good.
I don't know if you should wear your slippers out here in the mud, but
No, I'm not.
well, I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what they've done here.
Did you finish that wall?
Right about here, and then it's only one block left. Yeah, look at guys.
Yeah, that gate is gonna look very nice when it's all painted.
See. But they still have to also finish this, guys. And they put a little hole so that the cement will not come off. So, yeah. All the way here. In here. Very good. Looks good. Very dirty, guys, from the cement. Cement it gets here, so yeah.
Very fast.
Yeah, they're doing it very fast, really. I'm about to sneeze because of the dust.
It's all right.
Huh?
What do you mean the column's so high? The posts, I mean.
To even it there, honey.
Oh.
Because if you stand in here, it's a lot.
Because I'm standing down here.
Huh?
Because I'm standing down
Yeah,
here.
if you're standing down here, it looks really high.
But from the road,
Yeah, from the road, it looks really low.
yeah.
Ready to go back, Marites, to your apartment?
Yeah, pato na akong banana
When do you go back to school?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Wow.
Wow. Na to.
Face kayo ko, gay.
So that's it for today's video, guys. You've seen the update. This is what, day 13 or 12?
13.
Oh, 13.
Day.
Yeah. So tomorrow they're
Third
coming
week.
back.
This is our third week.
Oh, third week, yes. Wow, I hope it's gonna be done in 2 weeks.
Oh, it should be. Pretty close.
We're just gonna take Marites back to maybe the terminal, or yeah, she said that she's just gonna ride the bus. Yeah. So we'll see you all guys tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye guys, we'll see you tomorrow.